gonna get some rain. In fact, it's already drizzling, so I'm gonna get the coop cleaned out. I have a whole bunch of hay in there because it was icy, and the point of the hay being like this tall was to help keep their feet warmer and drier. But it's getting yucky in there, and the weather's about to turn really wet, so I need to get this out and get some fresh hay in. So that's what I'm doing. That's what we're gonna do. I don't know where those girls are either. I do not know where those girls got off to. I have two little well summers, the little wellies. Those girls, we love them to death, but they are delinquents. Delinquents, I'm telling you. They drag everybody off. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. This is how we get them in. There we go. You girls, keep your seat. Keep your seat. Of course, where are those well summers? They didn't come. Little wellies, where are you? Where are your wellies? Well, they're over taking a dirt bath, so I'm just gonna let them be while I get this cleaned up. Okay, we got it cleaned out. Let's go get some fresh after we find those well summers. Juvenile delinquents. Dirty hay out of the coop. It's full of all kinds of goodies. So it's important to get this wrapped up and tied up. You know what's gonna love this if you can get to it. It's little miceys. I'll try to get it rolled over and bound up. By the way, these little buddies right here, let me see if you can get it closer. These little buddies, corporate America buddies, they work on the homestead too for all sorts of things. I use these to clamp my fabric to my hoops. I use them on all sorts of things. I use them to put notes and stuff to my garden bed stakes, so I'll know what I've done last. It's awesome. So right now I'm going to use them to close up this bad hay, aka future wonderful compost. The reason I hadn't just put it over into my compost today is because I already had a bag this big in here, and I took it over to the compost, and so this is going to sit here and continue to break down. Chicken manure it's pretty hot, so as long as it can kind of sit by itself a little while, the better, I would think. Plus, I let it sit because a lot of times I take compost straight out of the compost and put it around my growing things, even in the fall and winter. So I don't want to put this straight into my compost because I don't want to get any of that hot manure. So it's gonna sit right here for about 3 months or less, probably 2 months, since it's already February, I guess. Where's this last day of January? I don't know, but it's still cold, so it's gonna sit here and do its thing. The chickens are happy. I found the well summers. They're in their spot. Man, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those little girls. I'm still glad they're here though. They are funny. They are really funny. But anyway, okay. It's time to go make breakfast. Later.